video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful purse box. This is the example that's actually on the front of the packaging for the JND468 purse box die set. And this die, you can see here, the example we've got. It's a very simple die, but it gives you an absolutely beautiful purse box 3D just with 2 sheets of A4 card. Can also be used to make the box or the sort of little matching purse, and I'll be showing that one in a separate video. So this video is just going to show you how to put it together. It is really simple. So I've got a sheet here of A4 card, and this is just denim card from the Craft Artist Essential card range, and you'll notice the die is exactly 8 1/4 inches, which is exactly the size of a piece of A4 card. So what you can do is to pull this die down on this side, get it right on the edge if you're unsure, but just making sure that it's completely on the piece of card. You simply then tape the die down. You want to tape it well because you don't want this to move, because it will waste the card because it's exactly the width. So this is the biggest single piece box that you can make with A4 card. So once we've got that taped down, we simply run that through and die cut it, and you'll get a piece just like this. And as I said, this is actually, if you can see here, it's actually longer. It's 8 1/4 inches, so it's exactly the width of an A4 piece of card. So what we want to do then is we need to cut 2 of these. So you need 2 of these pieces. So I've got 2 here cut, and I've already put the power tape on. So I've used 6mm power tape, which has been sized exactly to fit, and I've put this one along the 3 tabs. On the second one, I've put it across 2 tabs, because what we want to do is to put a strengthener on the bottom. So on this second one, you want to take your scissors, so you're going to fold this, and you can do this with your scissors, with your guillotine, with your freestyle trimmer, and just take that little flap off. And then I simply want to add 2 rows of power tape onto here. Now I would suggest that you use power tape or a similar decent red line tape, or you can use wet glue, although that does take pegging. The power tape will stick it together and keep it together. It's one of the only tapes I've found that will do that. And this is so that we strengthen the base, so that if you want to put something heavy in, like sort of mini bottles of booze or mini bottles of wine, they will fit in. So taking our main one, we make all of our folds. I'm going to leave that one just loosely, but I make all of the folds in the piece. And on these side pieces, you just want to fold this piece down here like that, and then fold these 2 corner pieces. This is what gives you the perfect grab at the top. So you do exactly the same on the other piece. So we're going to fold in each of these flaps. Nice and simple. You're going to fold that one over there, and then fold those 2 pieces there. So taking our first main piece, we're just going to take our poker tool and remove our connection, and taking them flat on the bed like this, you simply match the 2 edges together to give you a full double piece like this. I can simply then remove all of the power tape. It's easier to do this in one move, just like this. I'm just leaving those 2 strips on there. So quite simply, I'm going to fold it together. I'm going to take the one with power strip, fold our tab in, and we're going to fold that over to meet just like that. I'm then going to take the second side and again fold that in to meet, to make the section of our box just like that. We're then going to fold up that panel there, fold over, and meet that perfectly just there. Pop your hand in and give that a press down so that it's glued inside. Your final section then is simply to pop that on like that. Then placing it flat, we take off the two protective pieces and we fold that over. And that gives us that double base, which gives us the strength. And there you have your completed gift box or purse box. Perfect for holding things like you can actually, it's great for actual gifting of craft products and things like that. So you can pop a couple of glitters or something in there. You can put homemade chocolates or something. It's a brilliant gift box. Fantastic for weddings and things. I'm not going to sit and decorate it all. The only thing I have done here is I've taken the die from the greetings panel. So this is from JND468 greetings panel. And you'll see that the panels here fit on exactly. And these decorative panels fit, so you can make decorative panels for or on your box, or just use your box on its own. And I've just embossed this with a nice simple, it's actually one of the new John Next Door embossing folders for Christmas 2024, which I believe come out at the end of October. We can put that on. It gives you that perfect placement just there. And then when you're ready to actually, you put your products or things into your box, I just take a little bit of power tape. You could use a magnet. You could use Velcro to close that in. But as we pull those two pieces together, a little bit of tape that holds it exact. So it keeps those sides folded exactly. Everything's been done for you. And then it's simply up to you to decorate. With this one, I've decorated it using one of the JND Christmas tags from 2024. Flower and a mix of foliage and a little bit of ribbon, but really go to town nice and simply. That's how we put the box together, just using the die. For more ideas, hints, tips and inspiration, why not visit the Crafting with John Next Door and Crafts 2 group on Facebook. Enjoy.